How to fix server disconnected error on Among Us. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can avoid switching networks while launching the game. Also, go ahead and enable airplane mode and wait for 5 seconds, and then turn it off to reset your network. The next fix is you can try to change the server region. So go ahead and open Among Us on your device and then tap on the globe icon at the bottom right. Now select a different region like North America, Asia, or Europe and try joining again. This often bypasses overloaded servers. The next fix is go ahead and open App Store on your device and search for Among Us. Here tap on Update option if the update is available. And if the issue is still not fixed, restart the game and your device. Sometimes a quick restart can refresh your game's connection to the server. So close the app completely and reboot your phone or tablet. And lastly, the last fix is go ahead and uninstall the Among Us application from your device completely and then reinstall the app again from your app store. This can fix corrupted files causing the error. So this is how you can fix disconnected error on Among Us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.